Summerland Key, mile marker 25. We're going down West Shore Drive. We're gonna take it to the end. Video number 2 on Summerland Key. There's another one for sale. Team Mullins.
Car behind you.
Car, that means I have to get over. Here's our signal for cars. 3 dings. If we see any low-flying aircraft, it's because this is our airport. Summerland Key Cove. You have to belong. It's a private airport. They just painted the star. Yeah, on this side of the Summerland Key, there's the 2 long roads. Actually, there's 3 long roads. West Shore Drive intersects with Ocean Drive, and then intersects with East Shore Drive. So that's your 3 big streets. So far, we have traveled 6.8 miles today. On the right, there is canal front lots, and on the left is dry lots. But they have a marina here if you're a dry lot owner. I'm going to turn left here so I can go up the other short drive and finish off my video. What's this sign say? Sign says East Shore Drive. Okay. So I guess this is East Shore Drive. West Shore Drive turns into East Shore Drive. That's our signal. Better Homes and Gardens house there. That was a cool one. We went to their open house. That was the $6 million house. On the right here, they're all ocean properties. As we begin a slight turn here, it's all ocean back there. From 4th Street on is a mixture of canal and ocean front. Whoa, Iggy. Boy, he was cooking. You see him go? Huh? I've never seen one that fast lately. Oh, there's our birds. They're out picking bugs. Oh, what the heck? Ah, he got squished. US 1 up ahead. Go down here to my spot where I rest up and get a drink. Used to be a pretty good old fishing bridge until they shut her down. Oh, and then we got a bird. Bird's back. Hi, bird. Hello, bird. It's the first time I've seen him in months. Okay, here's US 1. Bike path. Now if you were on wanted to continue on to Big Pine, Little Torch Key, Little Palm Island, so on and so forth, you would have to go up over this bridge. I don't go over this bridge too often because there's too many sightseers that don't pay attention. This is the Niles Channel Bridge. I gotta stop, get me a drink of water. (1943). So it's what, 80 years old. $80 years old and falling in.